Top 3 everyday foods that could stop nighttime leg cramps and give you stronger, more confident steps. Have you ever shot awake at 2 a.m. with your calf clenched like a fist, pulsing in pain? Or tried to take a simple walk, only to feel your legs stiffen like cold metal? If so, you're not the only one. Millions of older adults deal with leg cramps that come out of nowhere, robbing them of sleep, comfort, and freedom of movement. But here's the part most people don't realize. Some of the most effective solutions don't come in a pill. They come from your plate. In today's video, we're spotlighting 3 humble, easy-to-find foods that work behind the scenes to relax tight muscles, boost circulation, and help you wake up refreshed, not in pain. These aren't trends. They're time-tested, nutrient-packed choices trusted by doctors and embraced by countless seniors who simply want to move without fear. So stick with me, because what you learn today might be the missing piece your body's been craving all along. Before we jump in, I'd love to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Have leg cramps been bothering you lately? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a wellness tip from Ageless Nutrition, where age is just a number and energy is always within reach. Let's start with something simple, but surprisingly powerful: the egg. It might look ordinary on your breakfast plate, but this small food holds an impressive secret. It's one of the most complete and effective ways to support both your muscles and your nerves as you age. As we grow older, our muscles naturally begin to lose strength, a process called sarcopenia. This makes us more prone to weakness, fatigue, and those painful leg cramps that tend to strike at night. But protein is one of the best ways to fight back, and eggs provide it in near-perfect form. Each egg contains 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle fibers, improve movement, and reduce cramping. It's like fuel for your muscles, quietly working behind the scenes to keep you strong. But eggs go beyond protein. Egg yolks are also a natural source of vitamin D, a nutrient that's essential for absorbing calcium and controlling muscle contractions. Without enough vitamin D, muscles can become weak, tense, and more prone to cramps. Studies show that older adults who are low in vitamin D often experience more frequent and severe leg cramps. The challenge is, many seniors don't get enough sunlight to produce vitamin D naturally. That's where food sources like eggs become especially important. To help meet your daily vitamin D needs, around 800 to 1000 IU, you can pair eggs with fortified dairy products like milk or yogurt, or fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines. A supplement may also help, especially for those with limited sun exposure. Another reason eggs matter: they're rich in vitamin B12 and choline-2 nutrients, critical for nerve health. When B12 levels are too low, nerve signals can become weak or distorted, often leading to twitching, tingling, or cramping sensations, especially in older adults. Eggs offer B12 in an easily digestible form, making them ideal for seniors, especially those who avoid red meat but still consume dairy. B12 and choline work together to protect the nervous system and improve communication between muscles and nerves, reducing the chances of cramp-inducing misfires. So how many eggs should you eat? Current research suggests that consuming 6 to 7 eggs per week is safe for most older adults, and could even support heart health when used in place of processed meats. If you have high cholesterol or kidney issues, speak with your doctor. You can always opt for egg whites, which offer the protein without the fat. And yes, eggs can help reduce nighttime leg cramps. These cramps are often caused by poor muscle recovery, low electrolytes, or misfiring nerves. By providing protein, vitamin D, B12, and calcium, eggs help the body restore balance, especially when eaten at dinner or breakfast, so you can sleep better and wake up without pain. In the end, eggs are one of the simplest, most affordable foods to support healthy muscles, calm nerves, and stay strong as you age. So next time you're planning a meal, don't overlook them. One egg might just be the small, powerful step your body needs to move with ease today and in the years ahead. Now let's talk about bananas. They're sitting quietly on your kitchen counter, sweet and familiar, but behind Their simplicity is a powerhouse for your muscles and nerves. Bananas are one of the richest natural sources of potassium, a mineral your body relies on to help muscles contract smoothly and nerves communicate clearly. Without enough potassium, muscles can become jittery, overactive, and much more likely to cramp, especially in the middle of the night. One medium banana contains about 420 milligrams of potassium, roughly 12% of your daily needs. That might seem small, but for older adults who often have low potassium due to poor appetite, dehydration, or medications like diuretics, it can make a major difference over time. When potassium levels drop, your muscles tense up, nerve signals misfire, and cramps become a regular and painful visitor. Bananas help bring that balance back. But potassium isn't the only benefit packed into this yellow fruit. Each banana also provides around 32 milligrams of magnesium. This essential mineral helps relax muscles, regulate calcium and potassium levels inside cells, and keep your nervous system calm. It even supports ATP production, the energy your muscles need to contract and release properly. And if you've ever woken up in the middle of the night with a cramp so intense it makes you sit straight up in bed, here's some good news. Bananas also contain carbohydrates and natural sugars that promote hydration. Eating one an hour before bedtime may ease muscle tightness, reduce cramp intensity, and help you sleep more peacefully. There's also vitamin B6, an unsung hero in muscle recovery. Bananas offer nearly 30% of your daily B6 needs. This nutrient plays a vital role in helping your body create neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that allow your brain and muscles to work together. It also helps with red blood cell production, improving how oxygen is delivered to muscle tissue. Low levels of B6 have been linked to more frequent cramping, muscle soreness, and slower recovery, especially in older adults. Bananas offer a simple, natural way to keep B6 levels where they should be. So how many bananas should you eat? For most people, one a day is plenty to support muscle health. If you suffer from frequent cramps, two may help, but keep in mind that bananas are naturally high in sugar. If you have diabetes or blood sugar concerns, try pairing bananas with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains to slow absorption and keep energy levels steady. Also, don't forget, bananas support hydration, but they're not a substitute for water. Be sure to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, and if you want an extra boost, enjoy your banana with coconut water to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. At the end of the day, bananas are more than a snack. They're a smart, natural tool for protecting muscle function, improving nerve communication, and reducing leg cramps day or night. So next time you're grocery shopping, grab a bunch. Your muscles will thank you for it. Finally, let's talk about something crunchy, satisfying, and surprisingly powerful: nuts and seeds. They may be small, but don't let their size fool you. These little nutritional powerhouses are packed with 4 key nutrients your muscles depend on: magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. Together, they help your body relax, recover, and stay strong, making them a smart addition to any diet, especially as you age. As we grow older, magnesium levels tend to drop quietly, often without us noticing. When that happens, muscles can become stiff, overactive, and more prone to cramping. That's why nuts and seeds matter so much. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides around 40% of your daily magnesium needs. Almonds and cashews are excellent choices, too, offering generous amounts in every full. But they're not just magnesium boosters. Pistachios, almonds, and cashews are also great sources of potassium, the same cramp-fighting mineral that bananas are famous for. And since electrolytes like potassium and magnesium are easily lost through sweat or dehydration, replenishing them is essential, especially after physical activity or during hot weather. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Nuts and seeds also deliver healthy fats that support circulation. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in walnuts and flax seeds, help lower muscle inflammation. Monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews improve blood flow, so your muscles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function smoothly. If you struggle with nighttime leg cramps or soreness after movement, adding a handful of nuts to your meal source, sprinkling seeds into salads or oatmeal can help your muscles recover and stay calm. They work to restore lost minerals, soothe inflammation, and reduce cramps naturally. Inflammation, in fact, is one of the silent culprits behind muscle pain in older adults. It damages tissue, delays recovery, and increases the risk of cramping. Fortunately, nuts and seeds are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that fight back, supporting long-term muscle health and comfort. Some nuts are especially good at this. For muscle support, try mixing pumpkin seeds, high in magnesium; almonds, rich in both magnesium and potassium; pistachios, great for potassium; cashews, packed with magnesium and heart-healthy fats; walnuts, loaded with omega-3s to reduce inflammation. To get the full benefit, rotate different types throughout the week. One small handful a day, about an ounce, is typically enough. That's around 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds. You can enjoy them with meals, before bedtime to reduce nighttime cramps, or after exercise to aid in muscle recovery. Just remember, nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, so portion control matters. And stick to raw, unsalted, or dry-roasted options too. Much sodium can dehydrate your body and make cramps worse. If you have allergies or a sensitive digestive system, take it slow. These foods are rich in fiber, which may cause bloating for some. But for most older adults, they're an easy, delicious, and natural way to reduce cramping, protect your muscles, and stay mobile without relying on supplements or medication. So next time you're reaching for a snack, skip the chips and cookies. Reach for something that truly fuels your body, one satisfying crunch at a time. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps us keep bringing you more health tips that matter. We'd love to hear from you. So drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, your questions, or any topics you'd like us to cover next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest insights from Ageless Nutrition. Stay informed, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.